Hi, welcome to this inVR tutorial. Today we're going to be covering emissive and indirect lighting in Unity. Okay, so to get started, once again, as usual, I have my scene set up, and these panels on the wall here, these black ones, are going to be the light casing, and then this white strip here. Can't click it quite. Okay, there we go. That's going to be the actual light portion. And we're only going to have a directional light in this scene, and that will be very low. We could just delete it, but for my purposes, I like keeping it in there at like a low intensity. So let's start by doing that. Put it to 0.1. And then if you saw the light map tutorial, we're going to do the same to all our meshes. We're going to set them all to static. I'm just going to come up here. They're all parented under this gobbledygook here. I'm just going to set them all to static. Just going once over it, everything. Okay. Uh, Next portion you're going to want to go to is the portion that you're actually going to make your light. Because the way you get emissive lights is by your material. And your material is obviously on a mesh, so we need to choose that, which for me will be wall panel lights. I have mine set up already, uh, but what you're looking for is emission. We have this set to white. You can change it to any color, really, but that won't really matter. What's going to matter is your emission. So you see there it's changing. Okay, you're going to want to set your intensity on your emission to something above 1. Got to be above 1. Right now we have it at 4. This should be real time for you guys. Just switch it to baked. And then go to window and then lighting. That'll open your lighting tab. And set your ambient GI to baked. I have this on to help bake it. Going to turn off compressed. Baked resolution for me is at 40. That'll vary depending on your scene and how long it's taking you. I'm going to put on 1 for ambient occlusion. I have directional setup. Indirect intensity affects how strong this will be when the light comes out from it. And bounce boost, it kind of affects the fall off, but you can set that at 1. It doesn't make a very big noticeable difference, but I feel like I noticed it enough to set it at 3. I'm going to set my atlas size to 2048, and then I'm going to hit bake here. Okay, and we're back, and you can see here that the mesh's material, at least, is emitting light when baked. It's quite uh, blown out right now, but that's just tweaking. This is a really good way to get indirect lighting into your scene without having to use area lights.